Welcome to my vlog everyone. Ayan, so for today's video, another video na naman tayo. And then, ayan, so hindi ko na patagalin. Meron ako dito ang Nikes. Butterfly ni siya guys. Okay? Ay isa. Ang partner niya is kini. Okay? Tibak siya guys. Ano, sura nito pag sinuot natin. I'm not really sure. Tanawa oh. So, tibak siya. Hindi ko lang kung pero feel ko magustuhan ko na siya ba. Tanawa good. Tibak siya guys. Okay. And then ang damit niya talaga is ganito siya. Yung partner niya. 90s ni siya guys. Okay. So butterfly. Tanawa. Pa-butterfly ni siya. Ang ganda ng kanyang is very nice, detailed. Actually, this is one of the trending sa TikTok. Trending 90s. Ayan, so ganito lang siya guys. This is 90s. Comment below if you want to to join with me if I sleep like this. Okay. Joke lang. Okay. So, ayan siya. Butterfly. Butterfly siya. And, yeah. Pwede mo siyang i-adjust. This one is Ikis. Ay, pili di ay. Yan. String siya. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Butterfly. So, after, tanawa good, oh. Very, lang siya. Silk siya, guys. Basta ang ganda niya. Okay. Huwag na natin patadagalin. Okay, let's wear this, okay? So guys, ito siya. Ala, ang ganda talaga, bongga. Parang lalabas yung kukumilan ko anytime. Para guys, parang lalabas yung kukumilan ko anytime dito sa na to. Tanawa oh. Masyado siyang revealing. But anyway, I like it. I like a butterfly. Oh, sexy lady. Parang ang ganda niya. Okay. I really like this. Let's go sleep. I mean, this is really cute. Ayan. Really cute for me. Very daring. You want to, Okay, so what's for that? Okay, maganda siya. The butterfly detailed and maganda siya. And then guys, syempre tibak siya guys. At least tanawa sa guys. Tibak siya. Sinuot ko siya. That is fit naman. That is fit, right? See, can you here? Fit siya guys. And I really like this. It's very very cute. Okay. It's nice and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all guys.